Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can send contacts on WhatsApp chat. So for that, open your WhatsApp, and after that, when you open your WhatsApp and open the chat, you want to send a contact. So for example, this is my friend. I want to send him a contact in number. So instead of dialing the number from here, and so I just have a quick solution for that. Just tap this button here, and from here you can see this option. You just tap the more button, and from here just tap contacts. So and here you search the person's name you want to send to your chat. So after searching and selecting the name, you just press the next button, and okay, and then send. So yeah, that's how you send the contact detail on your WhatsApp. And this works for both Android and iPhones, but in Android, this interface will be a bit different. There will be no plus button, there will be a different button, but the contact uh, the contact button will be there as well. So yeah,